The Exceed Designs Tyrant Razor version 3, one of my favorite everyday carry utility knives. So when I went back to their website to see what else they had, maybe something new, maybe something I wasn't aware of, I came across these right here. These are the Exceed Designs blade banks. And what they are is they're just 3D printed credit card sized blade holders. Each blade bank can hold up to 2 razors, as you can see right there, and it's 3D printed with polylactic acid plastic, which is PLA plastic, very common in 3D printing. But when I saw this, I became very curious because it was the same size as a credit card, and how well would it fit in my wallet? And I'm just gonna grab a random wallet I have laying around here. This is the Ashland Leather Capone Money Clip wallet. And just to show you, I'll just use one of these pockets on the outside. It fits absolutely perfectly. Let me just push it down a little bit more. Check that out. But what's really cool about the blade bank here, at least I think so, is that it serves a dual purpose. Not only will I have 2 replacement razor blades just in case my razors go dull on my everyday carry utility knife, but this also acts as sort of a knife in its own right. Check it out. So I'll show you what I just did here. On the very front, you can see those 2 open spots, the exposed razor blade part, but you can see those ends are covered. There's a little stopper down there that when it's seated, you don't really have any danger of this thing coming out. And then on the back there's another cutout. So what you want to do is grab both surfaces of the razor just like that and just push up as so. Now, of course, when you do that, the razor blade will be loose within the blade bank, as you can see, but there's this little piece of plastic right there at the end that when it's deployed, when the razor blade is sticking out, you just sort of pinch it just like this, and that razor's locked in. And Exceed Designs wants you to be very careful when deploying these blades. They even wrote it out for you right here. When you buy these, it comes with this little warning sheet trying to explain exactly how to use this, but like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just pinch both sides and slide right up. And you can determine how much or how little blade you want exposed there. Then pinch, and then just use this as a knife. I think it's a great, great idea. And don't get me wrong, they're not really expecting this to replace your everyday carry knife or utility blade right here. I just think it's a cool option as an emergency backup or just replacement blades. Especially when you can carry this right inside of your wallet because it's credit card sized. Now you can see right there what just happened. That razor blade just popped out when I was messing around with it. So you do want to be very, very careful here. You want to make sure that both of those blades are seated within that little stopper right there. Also, because this is 3D printed with PLA plastic, it is fairly flexible. So when you do put it in your wallet, you want to make sure you have it in between a couple credit cards just to give it some stability. That should be fairly obvious because if you put it in a wallet that's flexible and you sit on it, you can start bending those razor blades and maybe some bad things might happen. Take every precaution and be very, very careful because the bottom line is it's still 2 razor blades inside of a piece of plastic inside of your wallet. And I ordered these well over a month ago, and at the time, these were all of the blade banks that were available. You can see this is the cobalt blue version with those gold razor blades. I think that's great. The jet black version with the same color razor blades, and this they call their Centurion bronze color. But then I also got a jet black version right here with the Damascus blades. You can see that right there. I should correct myself. There's one Damascus steel blade and a topographic steel blade. Not that these are going to perform any differently than these gold versions right here. I just thought it was pretty cool looking. Check it out. And obviously I'm going to be very careful putting this back into the seated position within the blade bank. Just make sure that that bottom part right there is well seated. I want to just say that over and over again. Now, if I take out that sheet that Exceed Designs sent with the blade banks here, it says on the very bottom that this product is a replaceable wear product, but we do believe when treated right, it should serve well over 200 plus inserts and removals before needing replaced. Because yeah, it's only PLA plastic. This will wear down and it's not really intended or priced to last forever, at least according to Exceed Designs here. And it also says in the future, we may offer a titanium version for around 20 to 30 bucks. But this round is more of a test to see what you think. We'd love to hear your feedback. Well, my feedback is I think you guys are onto something here. I love that I can store a couple replacement razor blades for my utility knife here and just put it right in my pocket because it's basically the same size as a credit card. Or in a pinch, I can basically just use this as a knife itself, I think this is a really cool idea. It's a very simple, basic design, but can be very, very helpful in a pinch. So what do you guys think of the blade bank from Exceed Designs? Would you want to see a titanium version, and would you even buy or consider buying one of these PLA plastic versions? I'll definitely be putting one of these in my wallet as a backup knife or replacement blades, and try to test it out a little bit further and see what I think. But right now, I'm curious about what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the Exceed Designs blade bank? If you guys want to check them out for yourself, I'll put all that information down below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and go!